Hi everyone, my name is Shakir Miran. I head a company called Skylights Energy, which does software development. I'm particularly focused on creating software for the control panel industry. We have our own estimation software, we have our own energy management solution software, and we're also working on a couple of other projects for drawing softwares. And we have an e-commerce platform also. So all our softwares can be seen through our homepage, skylightsenergy.in. So the purpose of this proposal is about COSMA members. Most often, so the COSMA is an association from 1980s, and there have been many members historically, and we have been maintaining these members in our uh, database. But then oftentimes when we try to send them a post or an email, it does not reach to the member. I mean, there are problems where posts are getting returned back, emails are being bounced back, and this I have noticed many number of times when I send either be an invite through WhatsApp or invite through email or a post through email or a post directly to their address, it often gets returned back. This we are all very much aware of. In fact, last time when Rajubai came to Bangalore, he gave me a big chunk of posts saying that the invitation card that we sent to control panel COSMA members in Bangalore was returned back. Can you please verify their address? So then the process of verifying each and every member's address becomes a time consuming process, right? So the idea that I want to propose here is I can come up with a software tool, and this will be an online software tool wherein an existing COSMA member who has provided his email address can enter their email address in this platform. Okay, once he enters the registered email address with COSMA, then he will get a link to his email address. So when that user goes to that email address and clicks on that link, then he will be logged into COSMA's membership detail page. So the user actually goes through the membership details, as in he obviously cannot change his membership number, he cannot change his membership status, he cannot change his company's name. The fields that he is able to change is the company's address, the company's city, state, PIN code, who are the directors for the company, what are the contact numbers for the directors. So typically we collect three different directors or partners for the company. So what are their names? What is their email address? What is their contact number? This is all the information that we want to get from our COSMA members and be up to date. So this, once the user is logged into his membership page, he can go and update his entire details and click on submit. So once it gets submitted, then the data that the user has updated comes to our database, in which we get to review it and we get to choose if it is a valid update, and then we will update it in our database for future communications with that member. So this, I've constantly been thinking how to update this, and I've come up with a method which is very effective and very easy to do. So in that regards, this is the proposal, and I want to go through that quickly with everyone so that I get the approval from the COSMA board for us to go forward. So in this regards, I've just put together a small presentation, and here is the background. So a little bit about COSMA. Since its 1988 inception, there are over 500 active members, and the information challenge is keeping up to date with their members' contact details. And the problem is we as an association are inefficient when there are no updated information. So the data is inaccurate and we are not able to communicate with the members. So the proposed solution for this platform is member does the work for us. He logs in with the registered email address that he had provided. He gets a secure link in his email. he updates the contacts, and COSMA gets to review it and then update it into a database. So the process, like I explained, again, is the same thing. Member gets access through his registered email address, and then once he logs in, he can update the details and then submit for review, and we update it in our database. And technical features, it is a very secure login. We have tried to incorporate uh, processes where there are no nuisance email addresses. So we are verifying it with the list of approved members from COSMA only. There are a bunch of other data privacies and secure algorithms that we have implemented to complete this process. So a couple of things. What I have mentioned here is enter email address provided in your COSMA application. We will send you a link to verify your membership details. If you would like to update, please send request email to info@cosmaindiaco.in or call Mr. Ashok Khan and show his number. So the purpose of mentioning an email address and contact number for Mr. Ashok Khan is maybe the user does not have that email at this moment. So then what to do? Then he needs to call someone at COSMA and provide a new email address so that we can send a link. So this needs to be done from our end, provided the email address itself is not working. And so this is how we need to go with the implementation. The process will take about 8 weeks time, and the estimated overall investment for the project is going to be around 1.5 lakhs. So again, the efficiency and the communication satisfaction. So overall, we all understand the need for this kind of update, and this is going to help in terms of keeping all our members actively participating in all the initiatives that we do in COSMA, and perhaps when we are transparently communicating with these members, we also get benefited. As in, we are currently looking for advertisement appeal in our magazines. We are looking for stalls in the upcoming exhibitions in Electrama and so forth. So it is always beneficial. When we have 500 members, we want to communicate and talk with all 500 members, and that is the purpose of this initiative. Hopefully, you all agree, and if you do, then I can implement this in a very short period of time, and we can get this up and rolling. Okay, so that's the proposal that I had so far, and I'm very keen to hear what the board thinks, and if we can go ahead and implement this. Thank you.